Okay, this video is just going to take you through the sounds that each letter of the alphabet makes. Are you ready? So just listen, and I'm going to say the sound, and you can join in if you want to. Okay, so A, A, A. B, B, B. K, K, K. D, D, D. G, G, G. E, E, E. J, J, J. K, K, K. That one makes your nose tickle. Ah, ah, ah. S, 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 s. Club, you ain't gonna party like an ex-club party. S, s, s. T, t, t. Sounds like a mobile phone, doesn't it? W, w, w. X, x, x. Y, y, y. Z, z, z. Now, you will see this one had one letter that makes one sound. Z. When you get two letters together, that's a digraph. Two letters that make one sound. Digraph. And that would be s, s, s. You do not say s, s. Okay? It's two letters, but it just makes one sound. S, s, s. Another digraph. Now, when they're on their own, that makes a k sound, and that's a curly k, like a curly caterpillar. And this one, we call it kicking, k, kicking, k. They both make the k sound, but remember, this is a digraph, two letters that make one sound. And when you say it, you just say it one time. K, k, k. Like in the word pack. P-a-k. Pack. Another digraph. And this makes a qu sound. Qu, qu, qu. Your turn. Like in the word queen. Qu, e-n. Queen, qu. Another digraph. Again, like your teeth. Like in the word fluff. Fluff. Like pull. Z, z, z. Like in the word buzz. Like a buzzing bee. And back to ah. You can re-watch the video and practice again and again and again. Do not do this. Let me show you. Don't say things like k. Don't add an onto the end of the sound. You just say it nice and clearly like k. So re-watch the video and have a practice at home.